reputable online tool for editing editing images, creating graphics, etc. Right, so all you need to do is go to canva.com/photo-editor, click on upload. Right, I'm gonna select an image, go with this one. Right, so select the image of your choice. You can choose from different appearances up here. Drama. Oh, look at that. Normal. I'm just gonna leave mine on normal. You have different options up here. You would go with resize to change the dimensions, and in here you would actually put the dimensions of your choice. So if you're editing images for Facebook ads, you might want to have a certain dimension, whether it's 1200 by 628 or something like that, depending on the platform that you're using. Make sure that this is unchecked. When this is unchecked, then you can easily customize the width and the height. Then you would click on apply, and then you would hit download. You can hit download, and then you would go to download your photo by itself, or you can right click and then click save image as. So that's basically it. Edit your videos, edit your images in simple 1, 2, 3 ABC.